watching my video, and today I am Princess Elsa, and I can turn. Look, my frog will go like this. And so today we are doing one activity, castle. For the castle, we need the box. For cover with the box, you need one of the paper, then 4 small tissue paper roll, then big 4 small big tissue paper roll, means 4 plus 4 8, and all these white tissue paper roll we need only 8. So now I have this and I need to cut it, but we can't cut, we can press here very energy. So it will not see here at the time.
What is it? It's a wall for the castle.
This wall for the castle. 2 walls for the castle. One for big tissue paper roll and small tissue paper roll. So we have this is to decorate the castle. The snow and this all, not this sparkly white, but only this all you can take. So we have this, the marker, the fevicol, the scissor, the
Tape.
tape, and now this. And we need the brush, the blue color, and this for putting the blue color inside and for painting it. And so now,
So you are doing your castle blue?
yes, and this of the flag. You need to cut, check, and check. I will cut it. And so we have the snow wall.
What is that?
It's a snow!
But it is cotton.
It's cotton snow. I
Yeah.
prepare only cotton. So, I have everything into color to walls, to tissue paper roll, small tissue paper roll 4, big tissue paper roll 4. And now let's put, but not for this blue. You can put your color, favorite color paper on it, yes. Now let's put inside it. Now let's start for the big. Now let's go. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. It's look like this. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 big ones. Let us try. Now I am doing a small ones. Wow, good. So my mommy helped me to cover this for the box, and now we need to cover all in the color blue also here. I'm so tired. I color very much for that I say. I need to drink for some water. It's perfect. Now let's color it. Clickety clack, the train is on the track. Box and pack, ta-da, box. The tissue paper roll is dry. The color is dry. Now let's draw some windows. It will look like this. And now let's put the one big window. Looks like this. Look! Then we draw the windows. It looks like this. Now let's decorate it. Now let's see how we will decorate it. We need a tip of this. Now let's take one snow. 2 minutes. We have decorated this. This is the snow. And now let's prepare this. Different color. The roof. Now it was here, no? Now let's put like this and let's join it. That's it's correct. And this is too correct. Then for the big, you have to press it. Press and press and press. And for the big, you need one big feather. How do you need to get going? Here and this also same. Letter but oops. Now this and this is different? No. That's correct. We need to put upper of this. Here it. Decorate the roof and the pillar will look like this. So here, this is the door. It goes open. We have joined everything with the Fevicol, and we have joined this too. Now we need this for protect and serve. La, 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 la. So now let's look at concentration. Correct. Now we have this here. Let's join it here. 2 minutes. Find it.
Okay, I will help you. Shall I?
Yes, please.
Give me.
My mommy will help me.
Okay, you put the sellotape over there? Okay. Okay. Now,
Now let's put this on.
the sellotape on where?
Uh,
Here?
yes.
Okay.
And this is castle. Up in beginning things, everything. Oh, pillows to make a flag. Now we have this flag. Now let's cut it. So we have put these 2 flags. Now let's put the snow. Look, the snowy has gone this. Here all the snow falling down at us, booth and all. Biggest true and all. Thoughts, mindings too. And look, now let's put the snow here. Look, and some snow here. Wow, snow day. And look, wow, somebody is here. It's Anna, and it's Elsa and this Anna. They want to go. Wow, snow! Very much exciting. Let's play it. But we will need someone's hat at that. They can't see the hat. They go up. Shush, shush. They open the door. Tuck, tuck. Somebody is there. But anyone was not there. They sleep. Then they look. It's very warm. Then they sleep on the snow. Then, Anna. So you like it? Share me. If I'm Elsa and Anna Christoph love their castles, and so you like it, I think so. And you can make at your home this all which you like castle you can do. And so said share, subscribe, share, like. Bye. Have a nice day at your party.